Hello everyone, welcome back to another short Hustlery tutorial. Today we're going to do a quick session on the dashboard. Let's get right into it. Okay, cool. So as you load into your Hustlery software, you can see we've got our dashboard section there on the left hand side, and this is where all of these graphs show, and most of you don't really know how this works and how they update, so I would just like to help you through this process. So at the moment we've got open is 9, 1 is 2. Okay, that's the opportunity status. What does that mean? Okay, we've got opportunity value over here, we've got total revenue is 25k 200, and then we've got conversion rate over here, which is 18.8%, 12,000 rand. Okay, so how does this update and how does this connect with all of these features? So let's head over to your opportunities tab. So in your opportunities, you've got your leads, your hot leads, your follow-ups that you have to do, and it's probably a lot more cluttered than mine. I like to keep mine clean. Question is, how do you see where are those leads that are marked as won or lost? So you can see there's a lost tab over there, but obviously if you've worked with, like, if you get in 50 leads a day and you put 10 people in there per day, this is going to be a massive list of names. So what we can do is we can go to advanced filters. Status is any of is open at the moment. So if we click on one, you'll actually see the leads that you have converted. So how do you actually mark someone as one? So if you go, let's say this person, this David, is waiting for a drop. So let's say they ordered, they got their package, you're done with this client. If you click and drag on this contact, you can move them to lost or to 1. So if I add this person, let's just see his value is 5,000. If we mark him as 1, you'll see his contact card updates now. Just give it a moment, there you go, and it updated. So if we go back to the dashboard, you'll actually see we won 3 out of our 8 leads. So that actually updates over here. So now we've won 17,000 Rand, and then you'll see our revenue is now 17k, and our conversion rate is 27.27%. So this works out. If you've got 100 leads in your opportunities and you converted 50 of them, that means you'll have a 50% conversion rate, and it will also track the value of your lead. So how do you edit the value of your lead? If you click on the contact card, you just scroll down to value, and we'll just add, let's say, 1,000 Rand in there. Now I know, okay, this lead is worth 1,000 Rand, and you'll see it just updated. And now you're like, okay, but what do I do if someone calls me? Because I actually had that session now with a client, and they were like, still, if someone phones them, she writes down the number, the name of the client, and she just continues working with that person in a notebook. And I'm like, oh no, you can actually import your contacts. So if someone phones you via your website, you don't have the contact saved, it's not on the Hustlery software, it doesn't pull through automatically. Add opportunity, so you can just select here. So let's add Johan, for instance, create a new contact. His email, so let's say he gave his email to us on the phone, we add his email account in there, and then his phone number. So let's just add a random phone number in there. Apologies. So now you'll see the opportunity name is Johan. He's in the leads pipeline. If you click on the leads pipeline, you can always move him to a new lead. Maybe you've got a pipeline for phone calls. You can leave him in lead pipeline. If we move over to stage, these are all the different stages that we currently have. These are these stages back there. So it's a new lead, but we've already spoken to the guy, so I can just move him to contacted. So now his status is open, and his value is, let's say, 1,500. You can add his business and all of those type of info. We don't have to go too deep into that. Contact successfully created. Okay, now we can go to contacted. There's Johan. So now I've added Johan as a contact, and I've actually created his lead in my system. And this helps you to keep track of your leads that keep on phoning you, because what happens if you get confused with all the notes that you have in your notebook? Why not have everything on one system? Now you remember when to follow up with the person, where you are, at which stage you are with that lead, and that just like keeps your whole system together. So now we can go, we've got open, we've got 9, we've won 3, total revenue is now 27,000, and our conversion rate is at 25%. So what that means is this is the amount of people that we've converted, or the revenue generated, and these are still the people that are open, so we're still busy with them. That's what that means. If we go back to a contact, let's say David, and we mark them as lost, you can just say confirm, and we go back to the dashboard. you'll see lost appeared. So we lost R1,000. That client was not interested, and we've also got lost over here. So this keeps track of your whole opportunity system. So if you're running a bunch of leads or you're running a sales campaign, this is an awesome way to keep track of your business. Cool. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comments down below. Have a good one.